Are you dreaming of hitting the open road, exploring national parks, or embarking on that cross-country adventure you've always talked about? But as a first-time buyer, the world of motorhomes can feel overwhelming, especially when budgets are tight. Well, if you're in the US or Canada and looking for affordable options that don't skimp on quality or comfort, you're in the right place. Welcome back to RV Heaven, the ultimate channel for RV lover. In this comprehensive video, we're breaking down the top budget motorhomes for 2025, specifically tailored for beginners. These are reliable, easy to drive rigs that won't break the bank, starting as low as around $85,000. We'll cover everything from key features and specs to pros, cons, and real-world tips to help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end for some essential advice on financing, maintenance, and where to buy in North America. Let's dive in. First, let's set the stage. What makes a motorhome budget-friendly for first-time buyers in 2025? We're talking models under $150,000 new, with a focus on Class B and Class C types. Class B motorhomes are essentially upgraded camper vans, compact, fuel-efficient, and perfect for couples or solo travelers who want something that drives like a minivan. Class C models have that iconic cab over bunk, offering more space for families while still being manageable on the road. We've prioritized options that are beginner-friendly. Think automatic transmissions, backup cameras, and simple systems that don't require a CDL to operate. Prices can fluctuate based on location, options, and dealer deals, but we've pulled from reliable sources like manufacturer sites and RV review blogs to give you the most up-to-date estimates. Remember, in Canada, add about 10 to 15% for exchange rates and taxes, and check for provincial regulations on RV imports if buying from the US. Our selection criteria? We looked at affordability, user reviews for reliability, features that enhance comfort without complexity, and availability across the US and Canada. We drew from expert opinions on sites like Camping World Blog, RV.com, and RVshare, which highlight value-driven brands like Thor, Winnebago, Gulfstream, and Coachmen. These models score high on ease of use, with many featuring one-touch setups for beds and awnings. Now, let's get to the top picks. We'll start with Class C options, as they're often the sweet spot for families. Then move to Class B for those seeking something more nimble, starting with the Winnebago Spirit 22M. This 2025 model is a standout for budget-conscious beginners, with a starting price around $90,000. MSRP $153,784, but dealer discounts bring it down significantly. Check General RV for deals under $100,000. Built on a Ford E350 chassis, it's 24 feet long, sleeps up to 6, and has one slide out for extra living space. Key features include a rear queen bed, cab over bunk, U-shaped dinette that converts to sleeping, a full kitchen with a 3-burner stove, microwave, and 6 cubic foot fridge, plus a bathroom with a shower and porcelain toilet. It comes as standard with a 4,000 watt generator, 13,500 BTU A.C., and heated holding tanks for year-round use. Perfect for Canadian winters or US mountain trips. The interior height is 7 feet, giving it a spacious feel without the bulk of larger RVs. Why is this great for first-time buyers? It's easy to drive, with a turning radius similar to a pickup truck, and includes safety tech like a rear view monitor and side mirrors with integrated cameras. Fuel efficiency is about 10 to 12 mpg, and the Winnebago name means solid build quality, with a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, plus 3 years on structure. Pros: ample storage, including exterior compartments for gear, family-friendly layout, and solar prep for boondocking. Cons: the smaller size means limited counter space in the kitchen, and adding options like a TV or upgraded batteries can push the price up. Real user reviews from RV forums praise its reliability on long drives, like from Toronto to Vancouver or New York to California. If you're a family of 4 in the US Midwest or Canadian prairies, this could be your gateway to RV life without overwhelming debt. Next up, the Thor Freedom Elite 22HZ, priced around $100,000, starting MSRP $130,000, but often discounted to under $100K at dealers like Camping World. This Class C is 24 feet long on a Ford or Chevy chassis, sleeps 4 or 6, and features no slides for simpler maintenance. Highlights include a rear queen bed with wardrobe, cab over bunk, dinette, galley with 2-burner cooktop and convection microwave, and a compact bathroom with a 24-host 36-inch shower. It has a tankless water heater, 13,500 BTU AC, and a backup monitor. Essentials for beginners. GVWR is 2,500 pounds, making it towable for a small car if needed. For first-timers, the appeal is in its straightforward design. No complicated slide mechanisms to worry about, and it's highly maneuverable for city parking or narrow Canadian highways like the Trans-Canada. Fuel economy is 10 to 14 mpg, and Thor's pet-friendly features, like easy clean flooring, make it ideal for families with dogs. Pros: affordable entry point, good insulation for cold weather, and a large fresh water tank, 40 gallons, for extended trips. Cons: the bedroom lacks a privacy door, and storage is adequate but not abundant. According to RV share comparisons, Thor brands like this offer great value, with users noting low repair costs compared to luxury models. If you're in the US Southwest or British Columbia, this model's compact size makes it perfect for national parks with size restrictions. Moving on to the Gulfstream Conquest 6237LE. This is one of the most budget-friendly options at around $85,000, $100,000. A Class C on a Chevy chassis, 24 feet long, sleeps 5 with no slides. Features include a rear double bed, cab over bunk, booth dinette, kitchen with 3-burner range and double sink, full bath with tub, shower combo, and exterior storage. It comes with a $4 generator, roof AC, and LED lighting throughout. The interior is practical, with vinyl flooring and fabric upholstery that's easy to clean. Why suitable for beginners? It's no frills, but reliable, with a simple electrical system and automatic leveling available as an option. Fuel efficiency is 10 to 12 mpg, and the low price leaves room for customizations like solar panels. Pros: excellent for small families, spacious bathroom for the size, and lightweight. GVWR 12,500 pounds for better handling. Cons: basic finishes might feel dated, and the generator is louder than premium models. RV blogger and Delmarva RV reviews highlight its affordability for entry-level buyers, with many first-timers using it for weekend getaway. The Coachman Freelander 22XG is another strong contender, starting around $115,000. This 24-foot Class C on a Chevy chassis sleeps 6, with 1 slide for the dinette. Key specs: rear queen bed, cab over bunk, galley with convection microwave and 12V fridge, wet bath, 35-gallon fresh water tank, and tankless water heater. It includes Asdel composite walls for durability, solar prep, and a full $4 generator. For first-time buyers, the Freelander's certified green build appeals to eco-conscious folks. And its ride is smooth thanks to the Chevy chassis. MPG is 10 to 13, and it's easy to park at 24 feet. Pros: so good storage, modern interior, and family-oriented with seat belts for all. Cons: the wet bath might not suit everyone, and add-ons like Wi-Fi can add cost. Camping World blog calls it a top affordable pick, with users loving it for trips to Yellowstone or Banff. Ideal for Canadian families or US couples wanting a step up from basic. Shifting to Class B, the Thor Sequence 20K is a compact gem at around $110,000, $130,000. Built on a Ram Pro Master van, it's 21 feet long, sleeps 2 to 4 with no slides. Features: rear twin beds that convert to king, wet bath, kitchenette with microwave and 2-burner stove, swivel cab seats, and Thule awning. It has 190-watt solar, lithium batteries optional, and a quiet generator. Beginners love the van-like driving, 1820 mpg, parks anywhere, and stealthy for urban boondocking. Pros: high fuel efficiency, off-grid ready, and easy maintenance. Cons: limited space for larger groups, higher price per square foot. YouTuber reviews from Matt's RV praise its value for solo or couple travelers in the US Pacific Northwest or Canadian Maritimes. We could go on with more models like the Jayco Red Hawk SE 22A. Keeney? $120,000, Class C, Sleep 6 full features, or Forest River Sunseeker LE 2250 SLC. $95,000, similar layout. But these 5 represent the best balance. Now let's talk tips for first-time buyers. Budget for more than the sticker price. Add 10% for taxes, registration, higher in Canada, and initial gear like leveling blocks or sewer hoses. Financing. In the US, Lightstream or Good Sam offer low rates. In Canada, TD Bank or RV loans from dealerships. Aim for 20% down to keep payments under $500 a month. Maintenance. Change oil every 5,000 miles. Winterize in cold climates. And join clubs like Good Sam for roadside assistance. Test drive multiple models. Dealers in states like Florida or provinces like Alberta have large inventories. Consider used 2024 models for even bigger savings, but inspect for water damage. Safety. Always check tire pressure and take an RV driving course through FMCA. For Canadians, note import duties if buying US side. Ultimately, these 2025 budget motorhomes open the door to freedom without financial strain. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more RV guides, and comment below. Which model would you pick for your first adventure? Check the links in the description for dealer sites and full reviews. Safe travels!